Hi, my name is Ira Wright Horner. I have been selling my house with Rosalind, and she is a really good realtor. She'll let you know exactly what you need to do, and she takes her time and explain whatever need to be done. She's real experienced realtor lady, and I enjoy working with her working with me because there's a lot of stuff that I didn't know how to do, and then Rosalind would call Rosalind and ask her, and then she'll go step by step over it with me. So I really enjoyed Rosalind working with me.